Good evening everyone, this is by-DEGALA-BALAJI. Welcome back to my channel DB Stocks. Let us discuss what is going to be happening in tomorrow's market about the Nifty 50 and also the Sensex. Firstly, let us start with the pre-analysis, that what I have discussed yesterday about the Sensex expiry, and also let us start with the Nifty 50. Yesterday afternoon session, from straight away market gives the big momentum towards upside. Buyers have taken this big candle indicates that institutional players, that means institutional operators, have taken the position in the market. This indicates, that means always the big candle indicates that market taken the market is buyers have taken the position in the market. That means we have to follow the big players, that means institutional operators. So we don't need to trade against the institutional operator. Suppose if you have taken the entry towards PE, suppose if you are holding the PE towards downside after seeing this much of momentum, if you are holding the PE, means I don't think so that okay, if it gives the downside, if it tomorrow if market open gap down also, we have to accept, but that is not the proper way of doing the trading. We have to follow the market conditions. Firstly, there is a pattern. After the big rally, if market waited at the momentum, means based on the breakout, if it gives the breakout towards upside, we can expect the rally, that means we can expect the momentum towards upside, and we can wait confidently. Or if it gives a breakdown towards downside, there is other pattern called rally waiting, after that again it will fall. This is other pattern, that means this is the reversal pattern. Based on the momentum, that based on the breakout, we have to plan. And already in day time frame, if you have seen the day time frame, market is in the uptrend. So after that big momentum in the market is giving the pause can, that means market is waiting at this at the top, means we can expect the momentum after the breakout. This is what the pattern works. And also let me explain you the entries and also how to wait in the entry and how to be in the confidence. Suppose if you have taken the entry once, that means only once in a day, it would be fine. Why? Because one or two entries won't makes you emotionally drained. That means you don't get any emotional, you won't affect emotionally. You can be calm and you can see the process and how it is going on, and you can follow the rules and regulations without any fail. Why? Because when you have traded multiple times, if it gives you the profit, means it's okay. What the profit will tells you, means again the profit will tells you to take the entry again and again. The losses will tells you to take the entries for recovery. That means both are dangerous. Suppose if you have some 1000 rupees profit, the profit won't makes you satisfied till you satisfied again and again. That means this 10,000 has to become, this 1000 has to become 10,000. Suppose if you have to if you have made 10,000 in a day, it will, that means it will tells you to take entry again and again to make the 1 lakh. Okay, it's good, but when you have to take the entries is based on the momentum. If you don't have the momentum, so see today don't have the momentum, so if you have traded multiple times, there is no, that means I'm not telling you to trade in the normal days for multiple times. Why? Because taking the entries, multiple entries, will drain your emotions. Not only me, everyone has to face those type of scenarios, and also we have to overcome that. Firstly, let us start with the days high and day low breakout failures of the Nifty 50. Let me explain you this. This is the days low breakout failure in 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, this is the first time. Then next time it gives the hammer candle. Within the hammer candle, and already I told you that after seeing the hammer candle, don't need to enter fastly. That means we have a feeling that after reaching the support, if you have not entered into the market, we may miss the opportunity. Most of the people used to think in the same way, but that's wrong. If you have not taken the entry, also it's good. Again we will get sometimes we will get the 50% Fibonacci retracement entry, and sometimes we will get again the retrace. It will retrace this. If you go to the 1 minute time frame, means it will gives you the entry. That means I have told you about the order block. That order block entry will be there within the 1 minute. So the next again after forming the hammer candle, we can see that clearly this is the breakdown failure. Breakdown failure, I told you that after forming the green red candle, if immediately the next candle didn't follow and forms the green candle, means it's a breakout failure. So in this type of scenarios, the breakout failures and breakdown failures will happen. Why? Because this is the sideways momentum in the market. So based on that, the momentum came in the market, and also this is the big candle. Again, the some of the buyers have entered aggressively, but by seeing this candle also entering into the market is not a good thing. We have to wait, we have to control the emotions, and we have to control ourselves to not to entry in the market in these type of scenarios. So after seeing this type of scenarios, we can see in the 15 minutes time frame it's also breakout failure. So these type of scenarios we have to accept the breakout and breakdown failures. When it happens at the top, we can go for the entry towards downside. If you are aware of the condition, that means already if you have a knowledge that if market is going to give the breakouts and breakdown failures today, means you can have the entries at the top and the downside also. And after reaching this range, slow and sharp, why I am telling you this, again market will reach, there is a probability that, see here, this is the order block, the gap between this first candle and the third candle. Okay, see, again market came to this range to fill the gap. Here you can go for entry towards upside. Suppose if you are entering towards upside, and if you are looking for the buy opportunity in the market, this is the good opportunity to enter into the market. Okay, after reaching this level, you can enter, and slowly and steadily market reaches this range. Reaches this range. Now you have to use the Fibonacci retracement from here to here, from where to there, from here to, this is the from shooting star to this candle low. That means this is the previous swing, and now this is the previous swing. So if market has to move upside, means it has to cross this Fibonacci retracement, and the candle has to close above this side. So based on this Fibonacci retracement and 50% retracement, market didn't given the breakout of this range. So what is the condition? Market is consolidating at this range. Slow and steadily, we don't need to expect whether to upside momentum also and also downside momentum. Why? Because market is continuously consolidating. When you have seen these type of consolidation, means don't get into the trap. Why? Because after this type of consolidation, we can expect the big momentums, whether to upside or whether downside, whether to towards downside. So when you have seen these type of scenarios, if you are in the trend, means okay, what is the trend is upside, you have to be towards upside. If you have taken, that's why I am explaining you about the entry towards upside. I was seeing the entry towards upside, means I will enter into the trade at this type of point, and after reaching this range, if it is not going upside, okay, I will have to close the position and I have to come out of the market. This is how we have to wait in the entry, and also how to take the entry. Otherwise, don't need to take the entry. That means continuously taking the entries and seeing the opportunities in the market doesn't make us as a traders. Why I am explaining all these things, means this is what the experience that I have faced, and also I have came through those type of phases. And also the person called Ram, he is continuously following the videos, and he's seeing my videos daily. And thanks for your love towards the video, towards my channel and everything, and thank you, Ram. And particularly if you have any doubts towards the videos that I'm explaining, if you have any doubt, means you can message me in the comment box. I will give you the clarification on everything, and thanks for that. Let me show you about the Sensex also the same scenario in the 15 minutes time frame. See, in Bank Nifty also the breakout failures happen, breakout and breakdown failure. This is the breakout failure, and this is the breakdown failure. And if you have seen the Sensex also the same scenario, breakout failure and also breakdown failure. That means after the big momentum, we don't need to expect, see, after the rally, market won't give, again we don't need to expect the big rally towards upside. And also the buyers who had entered very strongly, they don't need to take the market towards downside. They will try to average the position, maximum to maximum they will try to average the position. So that's why I have expected that market to be the sideways momentum, and after the sideways momentum we can expect the we can expect the momentum. If it gives the breakout only, I will see the opportunity towards upside. Other than that, I don't want to go for any opportunity towards the breakout and breakdown failure till the breakout and breakdown failure of this range. Okay, now let me show you this, what is going to be happening tomorrow's market. Let me show you this. Okay, this is the sideways momentum. If tomorrow opens gap down opening till this range, means slow and steadily after the breakdown of this range, slow and steadily we can expect the fall after the breakdown of this first 5 minutes and 15 minutes candle itself. So slow and steady, I'm not expecting any breakdown towards downside, or if it opens gap down also, maximum to maximum, this will be the range we can expect. If it market open gap up opening above the 78,100 range, means after this we can expect the breakout of this range tomorrow after slow and steadily. After that we can expect the momentum towards upside. This is what my plan for tomorrow. Mostly based on the weekend, I'm not seeing any aggressive momentum towards upside. And also for selling, we can expect till the breakdown, we don't need to expect. After the breakdown or directly gap down opening, means we can expect the momentum till this range. And from again if market came to this range, that means already we have discussed about this sideways zone in 15 minutes. Already we have discussed about this sideways zone. If again market comes to this range, means again the market will be in the sideways zone, again it will become volatile. See, already we have discussed about this range. If again market comes to this range, means if gap down opening again comes to this, we can expect the volatile momentum in the market. Other than that, nothing will happen. After the breakout only we can expect the momentum towards upside. This is what the Nifty, and also the same scenario in the Sensex also. Sensex is also the same scenario. If again market reaches to this range, that means downside. If again market came to this range, means we can expect the volatile momentum. That means after the breakout, if it opens gap down or slightly breakdown of this range, means after the first 5 minutes and 15 minutes candle, we can expect downside momentum. If it directly opens gap up above this 78,100 150 between this range, means we can expect the momentum after the breakout. Thank you, and this is my view.